Hi everyone, it's Alex from Vacation Tracker, and today we're going to be talking about top 3 leave management systems with PTO accrual tracking. If your team relies on pay time off, sick leave, or earned leave, then you already know how important accurate PTO tracking is. But doing that in spreadsheets, manual calculations, constant back and forth questions, nobody has the time for that. So today we're going to be going through top 3 leave management systems with PTO accrual tracking, and these are tools that automate calculations, eliminate any admin work, and keep your team balances accurate with zero effort. And today we're going to start with the most powerful option, which is Vacation Tracker. When it comes to accrual automation, Vacation Tracker stands out because it handles even the most complex PTO policies without breaking a sweat. Whether your team accrues leave monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, annually, Vacation Tracker makes the whole setup effortless. In addition to a lot of other features that can really help you customize our leave tracking tool to your needs, PTO accruals do stand out as one of the most important ones, and we have provided resources on the website where you can go ahead and learn more about all of the specific things of managing accruals within Vacation Tracker. We do offer the option to customize accruals per your company policies. So as we mentioned, whether you're doing this weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, semi-monthly, every employee is going to have an accurate, up-to-date leave balance that they can always view on their own profile. So you're going to be able to let your team see how much time they've accrued so far, and they can see how much they accrue per month. You can also pause accrual calculations for specific employees if they are currently deactivated. So whether it's a temporary leave, sabbatical, or any other reasons, you can always pause their accruals. And of course, we do have an accrual cap, so you can easily control how much PTO employees can accumulate with this feature. We do have specific resources on our website and on our YouTube channel where you can go and watch how this feature works in detail. But today we're just going to quickly go through it, and we're going to go into leave policies. And let's say we want to edit the pay time off our Canadian location. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to see accruals. So this location already has accruals enabled for this leave type, and we can see that they accrue leave monthly. So as we said, you have the option to switch between monthly, semi-monthly, bi-weekly, and weekly, depending on what your company needs. You will see the current accrual period when the next accrual is awarded on. You will be able to see so that the users will accrue 8 hours on every 31st of the month. Of course, we make this calculation based on the leave balance that you have provided for you and your team. You do have some additional options like allow requesting accrual-based leave in advance. Basically, employees can request a leave in the future date that they still don't have enough days for, but you do know, and the system knows, that by that time when they need to take their time off, they will have enough leave accumulated. You have the option to pause accruals when the user is deactivated, and we do have the accrual cap that we talked about. As a user, you can quickly go to your profile and you can check out what your leave balance is. You can see how many days you have brought forward from the previous year. You can see how many hours you have accrued so far. And as we can see, for example, I have accrued 14 days and 5 hours out of 16 total. I am an admin, so I can go in here and edit some settings, but you as an admin as well will be able to do this for your employees. And that's a bit about Vacation Tracker and our accrual feature. Before we go to the next competitor, there is one more thing that I want to show you, and that is our absolutely free PTO accrual calculator. This is an awesome resource whether you are using Vacation Tracker or you're still deciding between different software. You can still use this resource because it is on our website. You don't need a login or anything, and you have 3 things that you can calculate here. So you can figure out when can you take your next vacation, how many PTO days will you have at a certain future date, and you can see how fast you're accruing PTO. We have 3 different calculators that you can play with on our website. It's completely free. It is very useful whether you do have a tool or not. So I highly recommend checking this out. The URL is vacationtracker/tools/PTO accrual calculator. Hopefully this is going to help you plan your vacations a bit better in the future. The next competitor we're going to be talking about is called BuddyPunch. BuddyPunch, it's a time clock and attendance system that also includes robust PTO tracking and accrual features. It's especially useful for companies that need time tracking and leave management rolled into one platform. Their accrual features include being able to set up multiple accrual types, similar to how we talked about in Vacation Tracker. You can set up accruals based on hours work. You do have customizable accrual schedules, automatic balance updates, so everything you need in order to handle time off with ease. BuddyPunch is a great solution for teams that need punch in, punch out, time tracking, facial recognition, clock-ins, GPS or geofencing, timesheet automation. So if your priority is time tracking first with PTO and accruals built in, BuddyPunch offers a practical all-in-one solution. And they do have a lot of valuable resources on their website, so you can easily go through and learn how to set up accruals, how do they look like, what exactly can you do. It's a great tool to check out if you need time tracking in addition to time off tracking. The third competitor we're going to be talking about today is BambooHR. BambooHR, it's a leading HR platform used by thousands of companies worldwide. It's ideal for organizations that want PTO accrual tracking as part of a much bigger HR ecosystem. So of course, they do have PTO accruals available. You are able to set up automatic accruals based on tenure, frequency, or custom rules. They do have PTO calculations for future dates, manager approvals, balances available online or in the mobile app. So it's a great solution on the go. If your team is looking for an HR system rather than a simple time off tracking system that has a lot of different things available, such as hiring and onboarding, HR data and reporting, payroll, benefits administration, employee experience, performance management, compensation, then BambooHR would be a solution for you. It's perfect for companies that need complete HRIS and PTO tracking baked into it. As with the other tools that we have talked about, they also offer valuable resources where you can learn about the platform, about accruals, automatic PTO balances, and everything. So I do encourage you to check this out. These are our top 3 leave management systems with PTO accrual tracking. Out of the 3, I would say Vacation Tracker is absolutely best for teams that want a powerful automated accruals and seamless leave management across Slack, Teams, and Google Workspace. BuddyPunch, it's a great solution for companies that prioritize time tracking and attendance with PTO built into it. BambooHR, it's best for organizations looking for a full HR platform with robust PTO and accrual capabilities. I might be a bit biased, but if you want the most flexible and intuitive accrual tracking system, the one that works effortlessly with your team's daily tools, I would highly recommend Vacation Tracker. Thank you for watching this video today. Hopefully we've helped you narrow down the list of tools that offer PTO accruals, and we're here if you ever have any additional questions. Happy vacationing!